So hello everyone. So in the previous video we have learned so far that how we can create a file, and we were also able to write some text into the file. So but the problem there was that although our program was working fine, but if we rerun the program again and again, the file that was created, that was getting overwritten. So in today's video we are going to do something more and something more interesting, so that we can write some text into the file without discarding the previous content. So actually we will be appending some text, our new text, into the file. So let us learn that thing today. So in order to do that, so let us first create a file, and let's name it append.py. So actually we will be appending new text into the file. So first thing first, as always, so put a doc string program to append some text. Fine. So in order to do that, so we need to open the file actually first. So let's have a variable named f and fire the open method that accepts first argument as the name of the file. So let's name it file.txt, and as a mode, so we have to open the file in the append mode and not in the write mode. So for opening the file into append mode, we have to put the value here as the mode, so that the file would be opened into append mode. And after once the file has been opened, so we can write into the file by using f.write method, and provides the string to be written. So some text here, and put /n so that cursor goes to the next line. And once the file operation is completed, so we have to close the file as well using the close method. So let's save it, and let us run it, so that we can see if our program is working fine or not, or if there is any error. So definitely we will figure it out. So Python 3, and file name is append.py. Let's run it. So one new file has been created named as file.txt, and whatever the content we had provided some text here, so that is there. So what if I modify the content here and another, let's say another text, and let us see what happens. So if we rerun the program, so actually you can see like another text is added, and our previous content was also here. So that means our append, we are able to modify the file, and we are also able to append the some new text into the file. Okay, so fine, so far so good. Now let us understand something more, and that is actually quite interesting one as well. So I would like to have your attention here. So actually in this program, although our program is working fine, but the problem here is if we need to append some more text, so definitely we have to come back here and we have to modify this whatever the string value is. So what if the user is able to provide the text to be written dynamically like this, another text, another new text? Can I do that? So answer is yes, we can do that. But in order to do that, we have to use some external package, not actually external, that is Python's inbuilt package. So why don't we go to that, and we have to actually import one module, that is the sys. So sys actually is a very handy and very useful package here. So sys actually provides some low level access to the command line, in the command line arguments, and many such things. We will explore the more internals in the coming sessions. Okay, so we will use it, and here sys is actually sys is having lots of attributes and methods, but we will be using for our program, we will be using argv attribute. So actually what argv does is, so this argv is with using this with argv we will be able to access the command line arguments. So actually it's a list, it's an array actually, so we can access the like any array element, so we can access by the indexes. So here if we run this program, actually we will get in argv we will get two list items. One would be the script name available at the 0th index, and second one would be the text at the 1th index. So let us do this way. So we will be having this, and we will collect the whatever the value in a variable. And once we have collected the value here, so definitely very easy, we can provide file str variable here like this. So let us see. I think like our program is ready, and we will be able to append the text dynamically. Okay, so let's run it. Our program executed without any error. So let us see here. So another new text is here. So now try to rerun the program with some new text. Say Delhi is the capital of India. Let's see what happens. So yes, hooray, so our program is working fine, and our program is so much flexible enough that it can collect the data from command line, and it is really beautiful, awesome, right? Isn't it? So in this way, in this session, we have learned many new concepts. We were able to learn how we can append some text into file, and we also dived something more into like how we can import some other packages, other modules, and how we can get the data, command line data dynamically. So I hope you enjoyed this session. And if you still have any questions, any confusion, so please do let me know. So I will try to solve your queries as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.